So, Riya Chakraborty's bail hearing adjourned until tomorrow. Saurabh joining us with the latest on that. Saurabh, what are we hearing?
Well, what we've been told is that the arguments are over. The order will be passed tomorrow in all likelihood, and this is for all the accused. Now, it's already been listed tomorrow, so there was a little confusion earlier if the court had been adjourned earlier, but the arguments were still on at that time, which is why we hadn't gone with it then. But at this point, we're told that yes, the arguments are over. The order has been reserved for tomorrow, and all the accused, including Riya Chakraborty, will get to know if they get bail from the Sessions Court or not tomorrow. In the meantime, that means that one more night in jail for Riya Chakraborty. She's housed at the Baikala jail, which is the jail for women, and she will be there at least till tomorrow, until and unless the court passes orders on a bail plea. If this court grants her bail, then she's likely to walk out tomorrow if that comes within the time of the jail manual that allows prisoners to be released. Otherwise, it might mean day after tomorrow. And if this court doesn't give her bail, then it means an appeal in the High Court as well. So that's what the procedure is going to be. But the arguments have ended. The court has heard both Riya's lawyer, the lawyer for other accused, and also the public prosecutor, the special public prosecutor, arguing on behalf of the Narcotics Control Bureau. Samir Wankhede, the officer for the Narcotics Control Bureau, left just a while ago. They have said that she should remain in judicial custody, given that their investigation is still on. The Riya Chakraborty's lawyer has made several arguments in favor of bail for her. The court has heard all those arguments. The order is expected tomorrow.
All right. Saurabh, will you let us know in greater detail about the arguments that took place? What specifically is Riya's lawyer saying?
Well, multiple arguments and multiple grounds on which he's seeking bail. One of those is that he says his client has been cooperating with all investigating agencies and will continue to do so. Remember, 3 central agencies, the Enforcement Directorate, the CBI, the Narcotics Control Bureau, all have questioned her, and she's cooperated with all of them, turned up for questioning. The Narcotics Control Bureau has gone ahead and arrested her. And the Riya's lawyer says that during her questioning by the Narcotics Control Bureau, shockingly, if you remember in CBI here questioning, it was Nupur Prasad, the woman officer who was questioning her, superintendent. But here, it's of course, there were no female officers, present, which is mandated, which is guideline, according to Supreme Court guidelines. Also, the fact is that she's faced questioning, her lawyer says, and the fact that, she's her questioning and these 3 agencies going after one woman is something that her lawyer says has left her, in immense stress with her mental health, and that's something that's why she shouldn't be put in jail. Also, the fact that, this is basically amounts to a quantity which is not commercial, and at best the charge against her is she would have procured some drugs for her boyfriend, who Riya's lawyer did call a drug addict. And that's, in medical terms, Sushant's dependent on drugs is what experts would call addiction. And, this is something that's happened. Also, the lawyer has argued that, that she will continue to cooperate, and several other arguments that were made, including the facts of the matter that have been reported so far. So this is the arguments in detail. In fact, we have those graphics of the argument that, that we had, of the main points that Satish Mane Shinde has made in court while arguing for bail for Riya Chakraborty.
All right.